Hello and welcome back again to my channel. I hope you all are doing perfectly fine. Today I share with you how you can make your homemade air fryer bread recipe with the oil. It's so delicious and very easy to put together. If you are new to my channel, hello, this is Cooking with FRYER. Kindly do subscribe to my channel and be part of this beautiful family. Let's get started. Alright, so to begin with this bread recipe, I'll begin by adding in my warm milk into my mixing bowl. Next, I'll go in with some sugar, activate yeast. I'll also go in with some salt to taste. Moving forward, I'll crack in 1 egg. I'll also go in with a little bit of cooking oil. You can also use butter if that is what you have, okay? And don't worry, I'm going to be listing everything I use in the description box for you to check it out as always. Now mix everything beautifully and add in your dry ingredients, which is the all-purpose flour. You can also use plain flour for this recipe, okay? After that, I'll mix everything beautifully until the dough comes out from the bowl very nicely, okay? Now, when you mix the dough and the recipe requires for water, you can go in with water if you want, okay? And just be careful with the amount of water that you add to it because we don't want it too soft. We want it a little bit stiff and not too hard, okay? But if you love sweet things, why not? You can go in with extra milk to mix your dough, okay? Now that the dough has come out from the bowl very nicely, I will go ahead and knead the dough very well until I get a very stretchy and very soft texture. But before that, I will go in with my all-purpose butter and I will mix it alongside with the dough. This is to ensure that I have a little bit of buttery flavor in my bread, okay? So now let's knead it until it is nice and ready. Alright, so after kneading to get the perfect dough, I'm going to put this in a warm place to increase in size or to double in size very well. So I've drizzled a little bit of oil into my mixing bowl. I'll place in my dough. I'll cover the dough with some cling film and I'll allow it to rest or double in size for about 30 to 45 minutes, okay? Alright, so we are back to check on it after 45 minutes of resting it and it has risen very beautifully. So now I'm just going to remove this from the bowl and cut them or section them into the sizes that I want. So next, to achieve that beautiful round balls, I'm just going to take a little portion of the dough and knead the dough inside just the way you're seeing it on your screens right now. After everything is in, you just have to rub it beautifully on your working surface to seal it very nicely, okay? After that, you just have to set it aside and repeat the process one more time until everything is nice and ready. Whilst that is going on, let me use this opportunity to thank you all my returning subscribers and new foodie members right here. You guys are amazing. Thank you for always liking my video, sharing and commenting on my videos, fam. I am truly grateful. And don't forget as well to turn on the post notification bell and be part of this beautiful family. Thank you so much for doing that, okay? Okay, so moving forward, I'm going to be placing in all my doughs in my air fryer. Make sure to give them space so that when it doubles in size, it will attach to each other very well, okay? So now let's put this in the air fryer and allow it to cool very well. And remember, the air fryer wasn't on, okay? And after 10 minutes, the dough has risen again. So I'll go in with some egg wash to brush the toppings very well so that after everything, the outcome is going to turn out very beautifully. You can also use the combination of egg wash and milk or just the milk. You are good to go, okay? So now let's air fry this for about 160 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes. And when you air fry it and the outcome isn't what you want, you can air fry this for extra 5 minutes and you are good to go. And voila, after extra 10 more minutes of air frying it, look how beautiful this bread came out. It was just on point, and I love how golden it turned out. Just look at this, and the back also is looking all good and well cooked as well. So next, I'm going to be brushing the toppings of the bread with some butter. This will ensure a very shiny look, and it's also going to enhance the taste as well. Fam, let me know in the comment section what you think about this air fryer bread recipe. It came out so good, and I hope you're going to give it a try. Now, all that is left is for you to grab your chill drink or any sweetener of your choice and enjoy yourself. Thank you once again for watching this video to this point, and if you enjoyed to this point, that means you are a proud foodie member. Kindly do subscribe to my channel and be part of this beautiful family. Thank you for watching.